So this is a Global De-icing training simulator, and all of the controls are identical to the controls that are in the Global Aircraft De-icer. On the simulator, we can choose between 3 different vehicles. We have 16 different aircraft. We can choose time of day, wind, speed, and wind direction. Then we can choose temperature, type of snow or freezing rain, and then one-man operation or two-man operation. So I will just pick a 737 day, and I'll do 15-mile-an-hour wind, temperature, precipitation, one man, continue, start. So now we start on the aircraft, and it is snowing, and we have 5 different views of the unit. And when you're inside, you can look around. And then the left-hand joystick, dead man trigger in, push forward, lowers the boom. To the right, rotates the boom. Then thumb switch on top is extension and retraction. And then twisting rotates the cab on the end of the boom. And all functions can be done simultaneously.
Одновременно все функции.
So right nozzle, right joystick moves the nozzle, and we have a little laser sight. So from the laser dot to the end of the nozzle is 23 feet or 8 meters. So we can start de-icing and also moving the truck. And I have the wind going down. So we can show students how the wind is affected, how the fluid is affected by the wind. So you can see fan, and you can see the wind just take the fluid. And then tap, tap, tap here, goes to stream. So the simulation is very realistic. And also for single man, what we do is we use the same joystick to drive the truck. So we hit the single man operation, and we have turtle is slow, rabbit is fast. So now trigger in, push forward, and now the truck is driving, and lean it over and the wheels turn. And you can drive the vehicle.
Можно управлять из кабины машиной.
So after wing is clean, then you can apply anti-icing fluid. So now I go to system and choose anti-ice, and so now I can clean anti-ice. And just like in real time, I can go and show a student where they have ice still remaining, maybe a little bit here, but wing and tail still, but most is clean, and where they have applied de-icing fluid on this wing and anti-icing fluid on the wing, or all 3 together. And you also has full holdover time. So the fluid will fail after certain time. So I can go to the speed, and I speed it up 100 times normal speed. And you'll see the fluid fail where only de-icing was, and then the snow start to reaccumulate. And here my score now is terrible, negative, because everything failed. Back to normal speed. And so now I would have to go back to high flow and de-ice again. Also, we can do things, take the balls off. We can de-ice at night. And then we have lights on the nozzle. And also lights on the top. And also each aircraft has all no spray areas. So areas you cannot spray. Pitot tubes, static ports, engine inlets, main wheels, pilot windows, doors. If you spray directly, then you get misspray and takes 5,000 points from your score. So the simulation is very, very accurate to real life. And then we can go to session and hit done, and now would be failing score because I only de-iced a little bit. And this is units delivered to Air Canada last year. So one-man operation, also Air Plus. And even so 4 de-icers.
Yes.
So here, from nozzle to aircraft surface, maybe 1.5 meters. Very close. But now he's only using maybe 10 liters per minute. So very low glycol use. So he's spraying and you can see the fluid, but no fluid is pouring off the wing. If you have a flash drive, do you have a flash drive? No. Or hey, Lance, is there a flash drive? Do you know if Lori has them in the bag over there? pictures of that unit with the pin that came out?
Yes,
So I'll ask Duncan, but if you could ask him and see if you
Снос
can get
убивает
me
воздухом, да?
some of those pictures so I can send them to engineering as soon as possible, just so that we know. Because we sent out a service bulletin about less than a year ago to all of our customers, begging them to double check all the pins. So somehow it got through the cracks, and I know Duncan.
It's probably in the workshop.
But Duncan, I know, was part of that service bulletin list, so that sort of concerns me.
He knows all about it.
Well, but if we sent a service bulletin to Duncan saying, this must be